Alright, so what's going on, guys? Today I got a little vlog going. I'm just gonna get out, run some errands, but first what I want to do was I want to show you guys something that came in the mail. I got a package, care package from Johnny V. So I'm actually gonna open this thing up, see what's in here. They sent this to me, they reached out, and I'm pretty excited to see what's in here. He said some products and some tools. And I actually have a phone call coming up pretty soon with the owner of the company, and he's going to explain some of the features of this stuff. But I just wanted to unbox it real quick before I even get on the phone with him. So, also on here, I'm gonna open some of this stuff up like I showed you guys a couple videos ago. I never opened this stuff up to see what's in here, so yeah, I'm gonna be opening these things up, get them charged up, take them into the shop and cut with them this week and record some of the haircuts. So let's see, I have a 12:30 call with the owner of Johnny B. So I'm gonna open this stuff up real quick and see what's in here. Feels like Christmas. Okay, so first thing we got is some lifted hairspray. This is Gem. It says dry oil micro mist. I'm not familiar with most of their products other than their gel. I swear by their gel. Like, their gel is like crazy. I love Johnny B gel. Molding paste. Hair cutting kit. Okay, a little bag just in case I got to put all this stuff in there and walk around with it. Maybe take it to the shop in this bag. Got some hair cutting combs. Cold B hair prep. Okay. Interested to see what that does. It's pretty heavy. Got some beard balm. And Fuddy. Johnny B Fuddy. So it's a matte styling gel. And the last thing that was in this box, see, a Johnny B hair care product catalog. So just got a bunch of different products, oil-based pomades, water-based pomades. So it's just an in-depth breakdown of what their products are and what you may want. So if you're looking for a texture cream or whatever it may be, you can see the details on each product that they have, kind of read up on it. I think that's pretty cool. You read up on it, and then you can, good morning, baby boy. Yeah. This is Caden. Say hi, Caden.
Hi.
All
Hi.
right. After I do this phone call, I'm going to show you guys the rest of the products that I have, and we're going to open those up, see what's inside, and then we will get them charged up, and I'll take them to the shop to cut with this week, and I'll be... So what we're gonna do now is unbox a few of these clippers that I got from Amazon. I want you guys to check them out. We'll see what it includes in the box and what it doesn't include in the box, and we'll see if they work when I get back to the shop. So starting first, I'm gonna unbox these trimmers. Okay guys, so we got these Kimmy trimmers. I'm gonna pop these things open. I actually like this case, man. It seems very premium. It reminds me of like getting a new cell phone or something like that. You know, they kind of switched up our cell phone cases, make you feel like you're getting something for that $1,000 that you just spent on a little phone that's just gonna do everything your last phone did, pretty much. So on top, we got the trimmers themselves. Pull them out. Here they are. Bam. Set those to the side real quick. Let's see what comes in the case. So we got some guards that come in here. It uses a USB-C cord to power it. Essentially, I'd be able to use my my cell phone charger to charge my clippers. That's crazy. You on It's actually not as heavy as you would think, considering that it has an all metal housing. I don't know how well these will keep cool. I know my Wall 1919 stay pretty cool. I don't have any issues with them overheating or anything with it having a metal housing, but I like the weight on these. I feel like it's balanced very well. Next up, we have these knockoff Babelist clippers. We open these up. First thing I notice is we got two sets of guards. So these right here are okay, you got your half and 1.5, and then you have your 1 to a 1 to a 4 in here. This is the charger, but it doesn't have the AC adapter like the trimmers did. So I'm curious to why they felt like the trimmers needed an AC adapter and cord when these just have a cord only. So I would prefer that they came with both. Here's the clippers. So it looks a lot like the Gold FX, as you can see, same body style, but the grip is different. Let's see if you guys can hear this. So instead of the cross pattern that goes from here to here on the Babelist version, these replicas only have horizontal lines going all the way around, and I guess that's supposed to be enough for grip. It has the click lever. It's close, but it's kind of off. You know, it doesn't actually like sit down in the grooves like my Babelist. It does not have the ability to be hung upside down on the little hook. It's so these actually it says charge in the front. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's spelled wrong. It says Garge, Gharge. Which brings us to our next one. This is a nice looking clipper, I'm not gonna lie. So it's set up kind of like the Wahl Senior 1919 Seniors, and man, this gold with this silver is not a bad look. Yeah, let's see what comes in the box. I'm pretty sure it'll be like the other clippers. Same little comb like the trimmers. Guards, I guess a half guard, and you got a 2, 3, 4. I like how this one came with the red guards. It's just a little different. I like that. It's a regular lever that's just smooth. There's no clicking or anything like that. First thing that kind of caught my attention when I saw these was this screen right here. I'm on. Oh, that's clean. Okay, so let me see. As I turn them on, it shows the power left. So my favorite clipper currently, other than the Andis Master cordless, is my Wahl 1919s. One of the reasons is because I switched out the bracket for the Legend bracket and put it onto the 1919s. So I got a much longer range than how this opens and closes. It goes a little bit further, kind of almost like my Masters. And so you get more of a range. It's easier to skip guards and things like that when you have more range on yours. I'll probably end up giving all this stuff away anyway. Definitely excited to use it. You never know. People might need help. You know, there might be some of you guys watching who are in barber school or thinking about barber school, and you guys just don't have the money to buy clippers or, you know, different things like that. And so this electric shaver actually has a screen, kind of like those last clippers I just opened up. Delivers up to 120 minutes of runtime on a single charge, 2 times longer than other shavers. That's a bold statement. I want to see if these are 2 times longer than the other shavers that I have. This is a nice little case. If you're traveling, you know, you throw all your stuff in here. One of the first things I end up taking out, I thought it was going to be a lid, a cover for it, but it's not. It's actually a replacement head, foil head. So once the original one that's on it goes bad or whatever, if it gets a hole or anything in there, I have an extra one. I don't have to order an extra one. I have the Babelist ones. They didn't come with that. I have the Bronze Series 9. They didn't come with that. The head itself like this, if I wanted an extra one, I think it's like $45, $50. Brush, some oil. You have another cord. This cord is bent. I don't know if I guess it's on purpose. Comes in this little bag. It has a nice plastic covering, making sure that your blades don't get knocked around or bent or pushed up or anything like that. And you also have a guard for these foil shavers. A digital screen in front. You got some grip right here. I guess I see some people holding these things. So I guess it provides a little grip for underhand motion depending on what I'm doing. Turn them on, see if they're loud, if they're quiet. Not bad. I don't think they're super loud. It's showing me that I'm going 70 RPM and I have 82% battery power life left. So it can go anywhere from 75 RPM all the way down to 65. So it gives you a little range. I'm not exactly sure why I would need a range like that. For me, I just leave it on high, go boom, knock it out, and let's go. I want to do a comparison, see how well they work compared to my Bronze Series 9, also compared to my Bevel-ish. Special shout out once again to Johnny B for sending out that care package. I'm excited to be able to use those things as well and see how those products work, possibly do a review. I'm excited for the conversation that I had with them earlier and about the direction that they'd like to go with me if I decide to move forward with them. Just opportunities and different things like that. You guys stay tuned, more to come. You'll be seeing some videos with these, plus there's more tutorials coming your way. Go out, be great. Thank you again for watching. This has been Mini Weather, and I'm signing off. Peace.